Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Make Money Top 10 Videos. Today we're going to talk about a secret weapon that every content creator should have in their arsenal: unboxing videos. Have you ever received a package in the mail and felt like a kid on Christmas morning? That feeling of excitement and anticipation is what unboxing videos are all about. As a content creator, unboxing videos can be your secret weapon for growing your audience and boosting engagement. According to a recent study, unboxing videos are some of the most popular videos on YouTube, with over 90,000 videos uploaded every month. In fact, in 2018, the top 100 unboxing channels on YouTube had over 17 billion views combined. So, why are unboxing videos so effective? Well, for starters, they tap into that same feeling of excitement and anticipation that we talked about earlier. But beyond that, unboxing videos offer a unique opportunity for content creators to connect with their audience on a personal level. When someone watches an unboxing video, they feel like they're right there with the creator, experiencing the excitement of opening a package for the first time. This creates a sense of connection and intimacy that can be hard to achieve with other types of content. Unboxing videos also offer a great way to showcase products and give your audience a behind-the-scenes look at your favorite brands. Whether it's a new tech gadget or a beauty subscription box, unboxing videos can be a powerful tool for showcasing products and giving your audience a taste of what's out there. 10 tips for nailing your unboxing video. Tip 1. Get the lighting right. The primary reason people watch unboxing videos is to get a good look at the actual product. They don't want to stare at someone speaking from a dimly lit bedroom opening a box in the shadows. When it comes to lighting, always err on the bright side. Make sure you record your video in a room flooded with natural daylight, if possible. If natural light is not an option, an inexpensive ring light can make up for it. Overhead lights and desk lamps can create harsh shadows where there shouldn't be. Tip 2. Configure your camera. No matter how cool the product is, you won't hold anyone's interest with pixelated footage that looks like it was filmed with a flip phone from 2004. All cameras these days have the ability to shoot Ultra HD, and social media platforms automatically adjust bitrate to optimize user experience. Make sure you're filming with the highest video quality possible, in landscape mode, so your video looks aesthetically pleasing at any size, on any device. Tip 3. Do a sound check. We're lucky to live in an age where even the most basic camera and smartphone microphones are capable of recording professional quality audio. Unfortunately, this also means they easily pick up distracting background noises like traffic sounds, lawnmowers, and your cat meowing the next room. Make sure you're recording in a quiet spot to create a fully immersive unboxing experience. If that's not possible, record a play-by-play voiceover when you do have a quiet moment to yourself. Tip 4. Timing is everything. Like it or not, short attention spans are par for the course these days. If you ramble too much and delay the main event, your viewer will quickly skip to the next clip in their queue. For that reason, make sure you have everything you need to unbox as quickly as possible at the very start. Nobody wants to watch you fumbling with packing tape for 5 minutes. Once the product is out of the box, that's the time to slow down a little and let your candid observations flow naturally. Tip 5. Stay on top of the trends. If you want your video to trend, you have to be a trendsetter. You'll drive in much more traffic if you zero in on recently released products that your audience might not have had a chance to try yet. Think about it, anyone who's interested in buying these brand new products will be searching for them by name. The more traction your unboxing videos gain, the more likely you are to be sponsored by companies to unbox more hot off-the-shelf items. Tip 6. Nail down your niche. Though it's tempting to unbox a wide variety of random items, you'll gain a larger and more loyal following if you're consistent with your content and your viewers know exactly what to expect from you. Focus on something you're enthusiastic about, and stick to it. Tip 7. Show and tell. You're already showing your audience what the product looks like and sounds like. Now, tell them what it feels like, smells like, and, if it's edible, what it tastes like. Interact with the product and do a live demo using all of your senses. Don't forget to talk about the packaging itself. Is it unique in some way? Environmentally friendly? Your initial reactions are what make it interesting. Tip 8. Set the scene. Your backdrop adds context to your content. Before you start filming, think about your surroundings and how they reflect the products you're unboxing, then throw in a few relevant props. If you're a gardener, for example, film yourself unboxing in the greenhouse surrounded by plants. If you're an artist, film yourself unboxing amongst your art supplies. Your surroundings will become part of your brand aesthetic, making your videos recognizable to your audience at first glance. Tip number 9. Keep it real. People can spot a scripted promo video a mile away, which is why people love the free-flowing homemade feel of unboxing videos. They feel real because they are. Your audience is experiencing the product for the first time right along with you. This is the time to think out loud. Share your candid observations, and let your viewers know exactly what you're thinking. If you're confused or unhappy with something, say so. Good, bad, or ugly, they want to hear it from you firsthand. Finally, at the end of the video, make sure you hand it over to your viewers. After all, you've made them feel like they're in the same room as you, so acknowledge their presence. Ask them to leave their comments or questions below, and respond. This interactive experience will keep them coming back for more. Tip 10. Learn to edit videos. You can fix many mistakes and make your videos more engaging to viewers with good video editing software. For example, Adobe Premiere Pro lets you trim footage, add and edit audio, enhance colors, and upload your unboxing videos to YouTube directly from the app. Thank you for watching our video on the secret weapon of content creators, unboxing videos. We hope you found it informative and useful for your content creation journey. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on creating engaging content. And remember, the key to success is to keep experimenting and trying new things. Happy unboxing!